Hi, welcome back. In this set, we are going to learn 5 letters. T, Th, D, Dh, N. Let's start with T. To write T, it's rather simple. A small standing line and a C hanging from that and the top line. The Barakhadi for T is T, Ta, Ti, Ti, Tu, Tu, Te, Tei, To, Tau, Tam, Tah. An example of T is topi, a cap. The next one is Th, another simple one. A standing line and a circle hanging from that standing line. Of course, the top line. Barakhadi for Th is Th, Tha, Thi, Thi, Thu, Thu, The, Thai, Tho, Thau, Tham, Thah. An example of Th is Thasa, a stamp. Now comes D. D is written as a standing line and an S hanging from that standing line. Of course, the top line. Barakhadi for D is D, Da, Di, Di, Du, Du, De, Dai, Do, Dau, Dum, Dah. A note of caution here. Alphabets E, E, Z and D have some similarities. But there are considerable differences as well. So notice the difference and don't let it confuse you with another alphabet. An example of D is Damru, which is a musical instrument. And then comes Dh. Dh is similar to T, so it's a standing line, a C hanging from it, but with a small circle at the end of that C. That makes it a Dh. Barakhadi for Dh is Dh, Dha, Di, Dhi, Du, Dhu, De, Dhai, Dho, Dhau, Dham, Dhah. Similar looking letters are T, Th and Dh. But notice the differences between the two, or rather the three, and you will know how to identify each of these. An example of Dh is Dhag, which is a cloud. Last comes Rn. Rn can be written with a U hanging from the top line and a standing line beside it, and then the two are connected. Notice the standing line is part of the letter and not an additional line that is required to make the A sound. To make the A sound, you will add one more standing line to make it a Na. But before that, the Barakhadi Na, Na, Ni, Ni, Nu, Nu, Ne, Nai, No, No, Nam, Nah. In Marathi, none of the words begin with Rn, although there are plenty of words that end with Rn. And if you have a little difficulty pronouncing this sound, then notice that it's similar to N, which we will come to a little later, but here it is Rn, with your tongue getting thrown out after touching the top part of your mouth. An example of the word with alphabet N is Ban, an arrow. And now, time for some fun facts. Say the letters out loud. T, Th, D, Dh, N. And notice the peculiar tongue movement. The tongue touches the upper part of the mouth behind the front teeth and then is thrown out. Did you know that Marathi is a language derived from Sanskrit, which is the mother of all the Indian languages? The script that we are learning is known as Devanagari. The same script is also used by Hindi. There's an alternate script for Marathi called Modi. Modi is a cursive script and difficult to print, and therefore Devanagari was standardized to write Marathi. Hope you are having fun and practicing the letters that you learn. See you later. Thank you.